Our bodies are amazing. They are made up of many different parts that work together. Bones and muscles are some of these important parts. They make up our musculoskeletal system. Bones are like the strong beams inside our bodies. They give us our shape and support our weight. Muscles are like ropes that help us move. They pull on our bones, allowing us to walk, run, and play. Limbs are an important part of our skeleton. They help us move and interact with the world. Our arms and legs are examples of limbs. They develop in a specific way, starting in the womb. The development of our musculoskeletal system is a complex process. It's a bit like building a house. First you need a blueprint, then the right materials, and skilled workers. Similarly, our bodies need genetic instructions, cells and signaling molecules to build our bones and muscles. Have you ever wondered how bones grow into their unique shapes? It's a fascinating process. Imagine a sculptor starting with a block of clay. They mold and shape the clay, gradually creating a masterpiece. Similarly, our bones start as cartilage, a soft and flexible tissue. Special cells called chondrocytes produce cartilage. As we grow, this cartilage is gradually replaced by bone tissue. This process is called ossification. The shape of a bone is determined by its function and the stresses placed upon it. For example, the long bones in our legs are designed for weight-bearing and movement, while the small bones in our hands allow for intricate movements. Our bodies are like bustling cities with millions of cells working together. Some of these cells are specialized for building and maintaining our bones. Osteoblasts are like construction workers. They deposit new bone tissue, ensuring our bones grow stronger and longer. Osteoclasts, on the other hand, are like demolition crews. They break down old bone tissue, making way for new growth. These cells communicate with each other through signaling molecules. These molecules act like messengers, telling cells when to build, when to break down, and when to stop. This intricate balance ensures our bones grow properly. This process of bone formation and resorption continues throughout our lives, constantly remodeling and renewing our skeleton. Sometimes our bodies develop a little differently than expected. This can happen with our limbs too. Limb differences, also known as limb abnormalities, occur when something affects the development of arms or legs before birth. This can lead to differences in the size, shape, or number of limbs. These differences can be present at birth, congenital, or develop later in life due to injuries or medical conditions. It's important to remember that everyone's body is unique, and limb differences are just one aspect of human variation. Section 5. Understanding limb differences. There are many different types of limb differences. Some people may have limbs that are shorter or longer than usual. Others might have limbs that are missing or partially formed. One example is polydactyly, where a person has extra fingers or toes. Another example is syndactyly, where fingers or toes are fused. These differences can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, exposure to certain substances during pregnancy, or a combination of factors. Understanding the causes of limb differences can help us provide better care and support for individuals with these conditions. Section 6. Genetics and limb development. Our genes, passed down from our parents, play a vital role in shaping our bodies, including our limbs. Genes act like a set of instructions guiding the development of our limbs during pregnancy. They control the timing, location, and growth of bones, muscles, and tissues. Sometimes changes or mutations in these genes can occur. These mutations can disrupt the normal development of limbs, leading to differences in their size, shape, or structure. Genetic testing can sometimes help identify these mutations, providing valuable information for families. Section 7. Environmental factors and limb development. While genes lay the foundation, environmental factors during pregnancy can also influence limb development. Exposure to certain medications, chemicals, or infections during pregnancy can interfere with the delicate process of limb formation. For example, the drug thalidomide used in the past to treat morning sickness tragically caused severe limb abnormalities in babies. It's crucial for expectant mothers to follow their doctor's advice regarding medications. Avoid exposure to harmful substances and maintain good overall health during pregnancy. Section 8. Early detection and treatment. Advances in medical imaging allow us to detect many limb differences before birth through ultrasound scans. Early detection can help parents and doctors prepare for any special care the child may need after birth. It also allows for timely interventions if necessary. Treatment options vary depending on the specific limb difference. Some children may benefit from therapies to improve mobility and function. Others may require surgeries to correct or improve limb alignment. Early intervention and ongoing support are crucial for helping individuals with limb differences reach their full potential. Section 9. Living with limb differences. Living with a limb difference can present unique challenges, but it's important to remember that individuals with these differences can lead full and active lives. Adaptive equipment such as prosthetic limbs can greatly enhance mobility and independence. Support groups and organizations can connect individuals with limb differences and their families, providing a sense of community and shared experiences. It's essential to foster a society that embraces diversity and celebrates the unique abilities of every individual, regardless of their physical differences.